Hello students, welcome to e-classes of DPOL School. Today we are going to see about the chapter number 5 of your Science World book, Standard 3. So, this is the chapter in which we study about the sense organ of our body. So, the chapter your sense organs, okay? So, you may see something, you may taste something, and you may smell something, and also you feel a softness of something or hardness of something. So all these are due to our sense organ. So let's discuss more about this topic. So you hear the sound of music, you enjoy the taste of food, and you see the beauty of our nature. You enjoy the sweet smell of flowers. You feel the softness of our mother's touch. And how are you able to do all these? Due to these sense organ. Okay, students? So they help us to see, hear, smell, and taste, and also feel. So they help you to know the world around you. You have 5 sense organs that collect information and then send it to your brain. They are the eyes, the nose, and the ears, and the tongue and skin. So, the brain, on receiving information from the sense organs, help you to understand what you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Okay, so now let's discuss and know what are these sense organ and how we care about them. So what are the 5 sense organ, students? I will already discuss this. Okay, so you may see here in this picture the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, and the skin. Okay, these are the 5 sense organ of our body. Then you may see here the eyes. Okay, so we have 2 eyes. So the eyes are one of the most important and delicate sense organs of our body. Okay, so each and everyone have sense of sight. So due to this we see many things. So if we talk about the eye is the sense of sight, or we can say that the with the help of eye we see many things of our nature. So from the moment you wake up in the morning to the time you go to bed at night, you see so many things around you. Okay, so do you know how you are able to see them all? Yes, your eyes, students. So the eyes is the organ that help you to do that. So we say it the sense organ or senses of sight. So look at your eyes on your mirror, students. Each eye has a eyeball. Okay, and the eyeball has a white part and a colored part. So you may see here in that picture the eyes are protected by eyelids, eyelashes, and eyebrows. So what we studied about? So the eye is help us to see many things, and a eye is content of or consist of eyeball, and eyeball is a white part that and a colored part. You may see this one is the eyeball, this one, and the eyes are also protected by eyelids, this white part, and eyelashes and eyebrows. Okay, so here you see this one is eyes, the picture of eyes. So here you see this one is eyebrow, and this one is eyelashes. Okay, and this one is eyelid. Okay, then you may also know about another one, that is the eyeball. Okay, so here this or this colored part is known as eyeball. Okay, and this one part is known as, this is white in color, eyelid. Okay, so I think there is no doubt. So go to the next one. So here the book picture, here you can recognize this one is eyelids, this one is eyebrow, this one is eyeball, and these are the eyelashes. Okay, so next, if we say more about the eyelids, so the work of eyelids is, the eyelids sweep away dirt from the surface of your eyes. Okay, and just like that, they also protect the eye from getting dry by keeping it moist. The eyelashes help to keep the eye clean by collecting small dust particles and protecting it from the sun's glare. The eyebrows are the stripe and hair above the eye. Okay, the stripe and hair above the eyes which protect sweat from the running into it. Okay, the protect the sweat. So you may know this one is our body. Whenever our sweat gland sweats, so this one or this eyebrows are help us to prevent from that. Okay, then how we take care of our eyes. So your eyes are very delicate organs. You need to be take care of it very well. Okay, so this one, in that picture you see, so always wash your ears with clean water. Okay students, so the next one you see in that picture, so good eyelid or good eyesight requires vitamin A, which is comes from papaya, and other things just like carrots and leafy vegetables, they keep our eyes healthy students. Okay, so try to take each and every day in your diet. Then always avoid the types of thing that shows in your picture. So do not play with sharp objects, they may hurt your eyes. You may see this boy is doing that thing which is not good for his eyes. Okay, then here you see, and this picture teaches us that do not read in dim light, so always read in a bright light. Okay, then your eyes is always be healthy. If you read in a dim light, your eyes may go weak. So another thing you have to also follows this, do not watch TV for too long. Okay, then another one, when dust fall into your eyes, do not rub it. Wash it with clean water, and if there is any necessary or is found any redness, pain, itching in your eye, show it to your doctor. Okay? Then we learn about ear. Okay? So each and every one know we have two ears. So your sense of hearing is your ear. You wake up every morning to the sweet song of a bird. You hear the sweet voice of all the people around you. Do you know How you are able to do this? Yes, your your two little ears help you to do this. Okay, so with the help of our ears we hear everything in our surrounding. So here you see this boy is hearing music through his or by his hair. Okay, so you may see with the help of its ear he is hearing music. Then, so if you don't have ears, you don't hear anything. Okay, then you have to properly clean only outside the ear. The ear is actually made of three parts. So the outer part, which is visible to us, then the next one is the middle ear. So the outer one is outer ear, and the middle one is middle ear, and you have the endo eardrum, and then after that you may see the eardrum is the most important part of your eyes, of your ear. Next to the middle ear is the inner ear. Okay, so here you see this structure. In this structure, if we recognize that, you may see this one is outer ear, and after that this one is middle ear, and after that this side is inside or inner ear. So in this picture you are going to recognize all the structure in a very well manner. Okay, so here you see this A part is the outer ear, and this B part is the middle ear, and the C part is the inner ear. Okay, I think there is no doubt, students. Now we see how we care of our ears. So you will not be able to enjoy all the sweet sound you hear each day without your ear. So take care of them, students. So now we'll learn how to take care about them. So in this picture you may see this girl is doing something wrong. So what's he doing? So here this one is mentioned. Do not use matchsticks, even earbuds to clean the ears. Why? Because it can hurt the eardrum. Okay. Then if we talk about more, the another one is, you see in that picture the boy is doing the same, which is wrong. Okay, so do not put any sharp or pointed object in your ears, and also avoid listening to loud music in a closed room or through a headphone. Then you may see here, do not allow the water to enter your ears, so dry your ears after a bath. Then the next one habit is, remove the wax in the outer ear, just like the boy, gently with a piece of cloth. Then here you see this lady also do the same, which is good for his ear, so she clean them gently with a soft towel. Then if there is any necessary, you may go to the doctor and show him about your pain or itching in your ears. So this one is the first part of the fifth chapter. Then we see in the next video what are the sense organ next in our body and discuss about it. So see you in next class, students. Thank you.